Hello, I'm Thomas Tiskov. I'm the Nilfisk Alto Product Manager for Floor Care Products, and I'm pleased to introduce you to two new base variants of our new SCRUBTEC walk-behind scrubber dryers. The first one is the SCRUBTEC 5 series. It has a 42-litre recovery tank and a 42-litre solution tank. It's available with two different sizes of disc scrub decks, a 450mm and 530mm. The other one is the SCRUBTEC 6 series, 55-litre recovery and solution tanks. Three different scrub decks, two different sizes of disc scrub deck, 530mm or 610mm, and a cylindrical brush deck, 510mm. The machine can be easily filled from the front with either a bucket or a hose. The machine has a standard feature, which is a hose holder. Let me show you how that feature works. Inside the machine we have the screen with the hose holder. The hose can be attached to the filter, and the operator doesn't need to hold the hose while filling the machine. The solution tank is equipped with a solution level indicator hose, so the operator can easily monitor the solution level in the tank. It also has a filter, a valve to close off the solution flow. The filter can easily be taken off and cleaned, mounted to the machine again, and open for the solution flow. To change the brush very easily, simply just lift the brush deck, press one knob on the control panel, and the brush falls off. To mount the brush is just as easy. Simply drive over the brush, lower the brush deck, turn on the brush motor. It's easy to change the brushes on the cylindrical versions as well. Just loosen this knob, and this plate can be taken off, and simply slide out the brush. To mount it again is just as easy. Slide it in, put back the plate again, and screw it tight. This machine has two cylindrical brushes. The other brush can be changed exactly the same way, just on the other side of the machine. The two-brush system gives the function of wet sweeping. The front brush turns this way around. The rear brush turns this way around, and that gives us the possibility of wet sweeping. Small debris will then be collected in the waste bin at the back of the brush deck. To collect the recovery water, we then have the squeegee. It can easily be put down on the ground with a simple handle. The squeegee is parabolic swing and follows the track of the water. If adjustment of the squeegee is needed, it can easily be done by turning this knob. The squeegee has two wheels that gives the possibility to drive the machine in reverse without lifting the squeegee. The squeegee blade can easily be adjusted or changed without the use of any tools. The construction of the squeegee blade means that it can be used on four edges. Edge number 1, edge number 2, flip it around, edge number 3, and number 4. This gives us a 4 times longer lifetime on the squeegee blade. Just do it the opposite way. Fasten the two knobs and attach the recovery hose. The recovery tank can easily be emptied through this long, flexible hose. Just squeeze it, unscrew the knob, and empty it. On the machines, there's extremely easy access to the battery compartment. We have a full opening for filling of batteries or changing of battery packs is very easy. The machines are also prepared for our chemical mixing system. To ensure long life of the machine, all material, tanks and cover are made of very strong rotary moulded plastic, which also are very chemical resistant. We have non-marking roller bumpers on the brush deck. There are 4 large non-marking wheels for sensitive floors and non-marking roller bumpers on the squeegee. If there should be any impact from the squeegee to your inventory, the squeegee will simply just break away and not destroy the inventory or the squeegee itself. As shown before, it's easy to take the brush down. We have variants in our range which are equipped with extra brush pressure for heavy-duty application. To add extra brush pressure, simply lift this handle. On the non-traction models, the brush angle can easily be adjusted, simply by adjusting this handle either to the right or to the left. We have models available with an onboard charger, which can be charged anywhere. The charging status can be seen through this window. To operate the machine, really simple. Turn on the key switch, push one or both of the yellow palm switches, the machine will go forward. If you want to go reverse, push the white button and one of the 2 yellow switches, and the machine will go in reverse with reduced speed. The speed can easily be adjusted by turning this knob. On the finger touch panel, there is a 1 button, turn on the brushes and the vac motor. If there's a need for picking up liquids, the vac motor can be turned off and on separately by pushing this button. Here we have the button for the automatic brush off. The water amount can be adjusted here and can easily be monitored in the display. We also have a battery status display showing how much running time you have left on the machine. On this machine, we've also added the knob for the chemical mixing system. The recovery tank has a large opening, so it's really easy to get down and clean the tank completely. Also, easy access to backflush debris down to the squeegee. In the recovery tank, there's a float protecting the vac motor, meaning that if the level in the tank gets too high, it will automatically block the vac motor, so no water enters the motor. If additional cleaning is needed, the lid can very easily, without tools, be taken off. With these Nilfisk Alto scrubber dryers, we complete our range in the floor cleaning product group, with competitive machines fulfilling the requests from the market.